The crypto market is in a crash. Yes, you are hearing me right. But what happened? And why is it going to crash? Let us discuss all these things in detail. Hello people, welcome back to Billionaire Crypto Investor. So here we are back again with the latest news that is going to leave you stunned. Recently, news has recently declared that the crypto market is going to crash. Why? How? When? Let us find out. Stick with the video and watch it till the end to know everything. The crypto markets are experiencing a massacre on the 19th of September as a direct result of the global macroeconomic environment. The value of the market is fighting a losing battle to remain at $900 billion. In the face of rising prices, investors have maintained an attitude of extreme caution as they await the results of the monetary policy decisions made by the U.S. Federal Reserve. Bitcoin, the most popular cryptocurrency, has fallen to a price that hasn't been seen in 3 months, while Ethereum has lost more than 8% of its value during the day. The excitement around Ethereum Merge has died down, and the cryptocurrency market today has a smaller number of potential catalysts. The rise in the value of the US dollar has also been a negative factor, acting as a drag on the sentiment of global financial markets and making cryptocurrencies more susceptible to risk. What exactly is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency refers to a decentralized digital payment system that does not depend on traditional financial institutions to validate transactions. It is a decentralized peer-to-peer system that enables users to make and receive payments regardless of their location. Payments made using cryptocurrencies exist only as digital entries to an online database recording individual transactions. This is in contrast to traditional currencies, which are represented by actual money that can be moved about and traded in the real world. When you send or receive money using a cryptocurrency, the transaction is added to a public ledger, where it can be seen by everyone. Digital wallets are used for the storage of cryptocurrency. The fact that cryptocurrency relies on encryption to authenticate transactions is where the term crypto comes from. Because of this, the storage of cryptocurrency data and the transmission of that data between wallets and public ledgers requires a high level of technical expertise. Encryption's primary purpose is to serve as a safety and security measure. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency ever created. Despite its age, it is still the most well-known digital money in use today. The majority of people who are interested in cryptocurrencies do so in the hopes of making a profit via trading. As a result, prices are often driven through the roof by speculators. How exactly does the use of cryptocurrency function? The blockchain is a decentralized public ledger that keeps a record of all transactions and is maintained by the holders of cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies are decentralized digital currencies. Mining is the process of creating new units of cryptocurrency by employing computer power to solve complex mathematical problems that produce coins. This process is referred to as cryptocurrency mining. Users may also acquire the currencies from brokers, then store them in cryptographic wallets, and use those wallets to spend or store the currencies. You do not really have any physical possessions if you hold any cryptocurrencies. You are in possession of a key that enables you to transfer a record or a unit of measurement from one individual to another without the involvement of a reliable third party. Many though Bitcoin has been present since 2009, other cryptocurrencies and financial applications of blockchain technology are only now beginning to emerge, and it is anticipated that even more usage will emerge in the years to come. In the future, transactions involving financial assets such as stocks, bonds, and other monetary instruments may be conducted utilizing the technology. The total value of all cryptocurrencies on the market as of the time this video was produced was $914.50 billion, representing a decrease of 5.56% over the course of the previous day. Despite this, the overall volume of the cryptocurrency market increased by 66.3% to $81.92 billion during the course of the last 24 hours. In the meanwhile, the overall volume in DeFi is present at $5.84 billion, which accounts for 7.13% of the entire 24-hour volume in the cryptocurrency market. The volume of all stablecoins is now $74.80 billion, which is equivalent to 91.3% of the entire 24-hour volume of the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin was trading close to $18,765.08, reflecting a decrease of 6.04%, while Ethereum was trading at $1,314, reflecting a decrease of 8.44%. Other big cryptocurrencies like BNB, XRP, Cardano, and Solana all had losses between 4% and 8%. Dogecoin also experienced a decline. At this moment, Bitcoin's market share was at 39.34%, which is 0.19% lower than it was earlier in the day. Bitcoin and Ethereum have seen their values drop by approximately 16% and 25% respectively during the last week. On the cryptocurrency market, among the leading gainers were Helium, which rose by 4%, Terra Classic USD, and Neutrino, which each rose by more than 1%. On the list of cryptocurrencies that performed the worst, Ethereum Classic was at the top with a decline of about 13%, followed by Kusama, CurveDAO token, EOS, Celsius, and Ravencoin, with declines ranging from around 11 to 12%. Rajagopal Menon, Vice President of Wazirex, made the following statement while discussing the success of the cryptocurrency market. Since its meetings in March of this year, the Federal Reserve has been quite active in hiking interest rates in an effort to bring inflation under control. The Consumer Price Index in the United States for August showed a greater increase than was anticipated, which has reinduced worries that countries across the world would continue to see interest rate rises. The US dollar index DXY has had another surge so far this week and is getting closer and closer to 110. This revelation has had an effect on a variety of financial markets, including equities and cryptocurrencies, among others. Menon added, as a result of the sell on the news phenomenon, ETH prices dropped following the successful completion of the merge. This was followed by a dip in the prices of other cryptocurrencies, as there is no longer as much excitement about the merger. After the event, the short-term traders who had acquired Ether in preparation for a good momentum and to get the fork tokens liquidated their holdings. As a consequence, there has been a considerable reduction in the pricing. While this was going on, Adol Patel, CEO and co-founder of Mudrex, which is a global crypto investing platform, stated the following. Over the past week, the value of Ethereum, the second most popular cryptocurrency, has decreased by 24%. It's possible that the collapse is the result of skyrocketing prices, the fear of a recession, and nervousness around the meeting of the Federal Open Market Committee on September 21 to discuss the possibility of increasing interest rates. The monetary policy of the U.S. Federal Reserve will get underway between September 20 and 21. Inflation in the United States came in at 8.3% in August 2022, which was more than predicted. Merge was eventually included in Ethereum only a week ago. The latest update has successfully completed Ethereum's shift to a consensus based on proof of stake, which has resulted in the formal deprecation of proof of work and a reduction in energy usage of around 99.95%. Many people had anticipated that the debut of Merge would stimulate the cryptocurrency market. However, industry analysts say that the update occurred at the wrong moment when markets are not robust. The country head for India at Pittay, Amanjot Malhotra, said that the current state of the global macroeconomy is directly responsible for the recent downturn in the cryptocurrency market. Since market conditions are not very favorable at the moment, the Ethereum merging could not have taken place at a more inopportune time. As a means of achieving their primary objective, which is to bring inflation under control, the Federal Reserve has adopted a position that is exceedingly pessimistic toward the market. In the last week, Ethereum successfully completed a major upgrade known as the Merge. It's inevitable that there would be some growing pains with a transfer of that magnitude. A certain level of short-term selling was also something that was anticipated and expected. In spite of this, the value of all cryptocurrencies, not just Ethereum, has been going down recently. The present fall cannot be attributed only to the merge. Rather, it may be attributed to a variety of global economic variables, including increases in inflation in the United States. The chief executive officer of Mudrex said when discussing the possible future of Bitcoin, the Bitcoin market was severely affected by the publication of the CPI data, and as a result, BTC will most likely retest the buyer's commitment between $19,000 and $18,000 as support. If Bitcoin can maintain its position above this support, we may see a bullish pattern develop. So here we are done. Let us know in the comment box what you all think about this analysis. If you liked the video, then please like it and share it with your friends. Also, subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.